Kivy TextInput: How to combine hint_text and focus. Hi, I noticed that whenever you have the focus property of a text input widget set to true, the hint_text is not displayed when the text input is actually in focus. Please, is there a way to combine them both, i.e. the hint_text gets displayed even when the text input is in focus?
This is an issue with Kivy 1.9.1, where the hint text disappears as soon as the text input is focused. It has been fixed in the development branch, and now only disappears when there is content in the field.
If you want to see more